Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another daily work from home job lead. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss out. And as always, the links to all of these jobs are in the YouTube description box below if you want to get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company Haley Fitness LLC. They are hiring a customer chat specialist. Now, this does say that it is part-time. It is remote within the United States and pays $18 an hour. So, Haley Fitness is a worldwide fitness and nutrition company trying to help women and moms achieve their fitness goal. They're looking for a chat representative to be responsible for dynamic conversations that drive the consumer to want to do business with them. Your conversations are not scripted, so they pride themselves on creating actual relationships with the customers and hearing the customer's needs. So, as a chat specialist, you'll need to be able to quickly provide a personalized experience. So you'll need to be a multitasker and a quick thinker. Now, they are looking for someone to work Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You must be able to type at least 45 words per minute. You must have social media experience, and they want someone who has experience working in quality and productivity-based metrics before. It is a plus if you have experience in the fitness industry, but it is not required. You do need to have effective written and oral communication skills and good critical thinking skills. Now, they do have a process for the interview. You need to put your application in, and then after you put your application in, you'll go to this link below and fill out a virtual evaluation. If you pass the virtual evaluation, you will then get a one-on-one interview. Now, I did go ahead and look up a little bit about this company since they didn't really have any reviews on Indeed. It looks like they may be new to Indeed, but this is a personal trainer who is trying to start and run her own fitness company. I have the link to the Facebook page down below if you want to do more research on the company. And as always, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.